Welcome back, everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you what tools you need in a bike repair kit for on the trail. So first things first, you need a good big bag, okay? Also, you need a tube, a patch kit, tire levers, CO2 refill cartridges, and a pump. So let's get started. You put the tube in the bag. Okay. All right. There. We got it in. And then put your pump in. There we go. Got it. I was having troubles with this earlier. Put your patch kit in. Tire levers. Now these will break apart if you're not careful. Now, there. Clip them together. Okay. Put your CO2 refills in. If you're a druggie, you can do whippets. So what you start off by doing is just, and there we go. Put all of that in your bag. There you go. You have just successfully made a trail repair kit. Now, I'm gonna mount it to my bike, which my bike is right here and I can't do it, so but I'll hurry and just take my bike off of the stand and show you how to put it on. Okay, put your bike down, put the back tire in between your legs. Okay, put a Velcro strap over your one bar on your seat, okay? And then pull it up. Okay? Now, get the other one, run it down. Okay? So, like that. Pull it up. Now this one has a thing that goes around your seat post like that. Okay? So now your bike is ready for the trail. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share. And I'll see you next time. Live free, stay wild.